Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth and final episode of Beauty Basics for Filipinos. Before we officially start, I just would like to say thank you for watching this mini series, whether you watched all of the episodes or may isa or dalawa lang kayong episodes na pinanood. I'm still thankful for that. And I'm just really happy that I was able to complete this passion project. So again, thank you so much. Now let's get to the main part of the show. Today we will be discussing all about blush and lipsticks. So today's discussion is going to be about the following things. Of course, we'll dive deeper into the main purpose of why we're using blush and lipstick. We're also going to discuss selecting colors or shades and the different ways to apply blush and lipsticks. So, ang main purpose ng blush is that it brightens the complexion by giving a flush of color on the cheeks, and it also helps brighten the overall complexion. So, may iba-ibang formulations when it comes to blush products. Mayroong mga powder, liquid, cream, or yung mga gel-based products. So, it just depends on your preference. But if according to skin type, normally yung mga liquid or cream yung mas recommended for drier skin types. Cream or liquid yung mas recommended kasi sila yung normally mas may moisturizing ingredients when it comes to formulation. And kapag on the oily side ka naman, normally powder. But of course, pinaka-common talagang ginagamit sa atin here in the Philippines, powder type. Kasi siya yung pinaka-beginner friendly and siya din yung madaling i-control. But you can also use your lipstick as a blush as well. Another function of a blush is that it can be used to either soften or lift the face. So this will actually depend on your application and yung placement ng blush sa mismong face ninyo. So to give you an example, to create a youthful look, normally nilalagay natin yung blush sa apples ng cheeks. If you're using a fluffy brush, it will deposit the product lightly. But if you're using something na mas dense or mas flat, mas nabibuild or mas nalilayer yung color. On the other hand, you can also use blush to lift the face, just like on this clip. Instead of applying the blush on the apples of the cheeks, in-apply ko siya starting on the cheekbones, then paloob din sa apples. This is a good trick if you don't want to emphasize the roundness of your face or if parang feeling nyo masyadong plump yung cheeks ninyo. So how do we pick the right shade of blush? The general rule when picking a blush color is to go for something that's within the range of your skin tone. So what I mean by that is if your skin tone is on the light to fair side, you also go for blush colors that are light. And if you're on the medium or morena and to deeper skin tone, you go for richer colors of blushes. So to give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about, I'm gonna show you this palette. So this is a customized blush palette. Huwag niyo na lang pansinin yung arrangement. So let's focus on this side. So I have two pink blush colors and I also have two peachy colored blushes. So what I mean by picking something that's within your skin tone is that if medyo light yung skin tone nyo, light colored blush din yung gamitin ninyo for your cheeks. Just like these two. So, diba, from the pan, makikita natin na light na pink and light na peach yung color. So, compare dun sa nasa baba, basically, it's the same family color, pero richer yung color niya on the pan. So, if your skin tone is on the medium to deeper side, you go for richer or deeper colors na nakikita nyo dun pa lang sa pan. But there are also other shades, just like these three right here, na they can actually cater to a lot of different skin tones. So, depende na lang din siya sa choice of lipstick color and sa application kung paano siya magre-register on your face. Another factor you need to consider when choosing your blush color is to also consider the lip color that you're using. Just make sure na hindi masyadong contrasting yung blush sa lip color na gagamitin ninyo. So in the next few clips, I'll show you examples of how you can pair a few blush colors to different lipstick colors. So just like what I mentioned a while ago, of course, you can use your lipstick as a blush. If ayaw nyo ng masyadong madaming product, make sure na yung lipstick is something matte or soft matte para madali siyang i-blend sa cheeks. This way, you're also creating harmony to your overall makeup look. So now we're moving on to the lips. The main purpose of applying lipstick is basically to give color to our lips. And our lipstick should be in harmony with all the other makeup products on our face in terms of the color, and it can either define or soften the lips. So before we talk about lipsticks, let's quickly talk about lip care. Applying lip balm can help prep the lips before lipstick application, especially if you have dry and chappy lips. Yung pag-a-apply ng lip balm could also be part of your skincare routine. So for example, you're going to do a full face makeup, you already prepped your skin with cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. You can apply your lip balm right away, and then para habang nagme-makeup kayo, pabad na yung lips ninyo dun sa lip balm and moisturize na siya. So, pag natapos nyo na yung overall makeup look and pagdating nyo sa lipstick, well-prepped na yung lips ninyo. So, we also have different kinds of products when it comes to the lips. So, first we have what we call a lip liner. Lip liners help define the shape of the lips, and it also helps increase the longevity of your lipstick. For some people, it's an essential product, but for some, it's not. But if you really want to have a defined lip shape, using a lip liner before applying your lipstick can actually help, especially if you're using a liquid lipstick. Pero if hindi niyo naman goal na sobrang defined yung lip shape ninyo, then you can actually skip this step. Moving on to lipsticks, meron din tayong iba-ibang klase ng formulation and finishes. So, meron tayong mga conventional na bullet lipsticks. Meron din yung mga pen or crayon type of lipsticks. Meron ding mga liquid lipsticks, and meron ding mga nakapan or yung nalalagay sa palette. So, in terms of the finishes naman, may iba-iba ring types. So, meron tayong tinatawag na matte finish. Flat na color lang siya. Wala siyang sheen or gloss at all. Ito yung klase ng finish na talagang kumakapit sa lips and hindi siya ganun kabilis matanggal. Some people, they love matte lipsticks. Some people, they don't kasi they feel na nakaka-dry siya ng lips, which is actually true. But I personally think it just depends on the brand and the formulation kasi meron talagang mga matte na nakaka-dry ng lips. Meron din naman mga matte na hindi naman siya nakaka-dry. Another type of finish is what we call the satin. So, meron siyang sheen ng konti. And we also have a glossy finish. This one, mas obvious yung shine niya. So, yung mga satin and glossy finish na lipsticks, normally ito yung preferred ng mga taong very dry yung lips or mga aging women kasi mas moisturizing nga siya in terms of the formulation. But unfortunately, hindi siya as long-lasting as tong mga matte lipsticks kasi hindi siya ganun kakapit sa lips natin. So now, how do we pick the right shade of lipstick? Actually, wala naman talagang kumbaga perfect formula or guidelines when it comes to picking the right shade for you. But we may consider a few factors. Number one, of course, our skin tone and undertone. So just like what I mentioned kanina sa blush, if you have light skin tone, go for lighter colors. If you have deeper skin tones, go for deeper colors. So for example, sa mga morenas, if we use something na sobrang light ng color, usually, di ba, pag nilagay natin siya sa lips, parang ang putla niyang tignan. So, we always go for richer or darker colors. Opposite naman, na kapag yung sobrang maputi, naglagay siya ng lipstick na sobrang dark, diba? Sobrang ang intense din tignan. Parang hindi masyadong balanced yung look ng overall makeup. Now, for the undertone, since we are Filipinos and we're Asians, so majority sa atin, yellow or warm yung undertone. So, since we're part of that category, yung best options ng mga lip colors is yung mga warm undertone din, kagaya ng orangey red or brick red, mga warm peach, terracotta, or even yung mga brownish na colors. So, di ba pansinin nyo sa mga local beauty brands, normally, if nakikita niyo yung shade selection ng mga lipsticks nila, naglalaro lang lahat dun sa mga colors na, yun nga, red, orangey red, brown, terracotta. Kasi basically, yun yung babagay talaga for the Filipina skin. Another factor you need to consider or you need to check is the natural color of your lips. So, may mga lips na very neutral, may iba na naturally pinkish talaga yung lips nila. Meron din naman na medyo dark. So, basically, yung natural lip color natin combined with the lips that we're putting on top, nag-blend siya, nagko-combine siya, and it also creates a different register. A trick you can do if you want na mas accurate yung color na lumalabas sa lips niya is to apply a very pale nude color para parang it serves as a base color before applying your lipstick. Yung iba, ginagawa nila concealer or foundation yung nilalagay nila sa lips para ma-neutralize lahat. But of course, hindi lahat ng tao comfortable gawin tong trick na to. So again, it just depends on your preference. Last but not the least, we have what we call lip gloss. So this is a finishing product that gives a glossy finish to the lips. It's either clear lang siya or may konting tint to enhance the overall look of the lipstick. But this is also an optional product. Some people don't like gloss. Some people love it. Some people nga, gloss lang yung nilalagay sa lips kahit wala ng lipstick. So again, it just depends on your preference. So that's it for this episode, and that's it for Beauty Basics for Filipinos mini-series. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched the previous episodes, you probably know that during the last one, I mentioned that I'm planning to do a mini giveaway. And with that being said, I want to formally announce that I'm gonna create a separate video just for the giveaway. So, doon ko i-discuss lahat ng details, kung paano kayo sasali, and kung ano yung mga mapapanalunan ninyong products. So, the reason why I still can't announce it now is medyo iniipon ko pa yung mga products na ipapamigay ko for that giveaway. So, ayun. This giveaway will happen sa August, which is also my birthday month. So, just in time for my birthday month, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I know hindi naman ganun kadami yung followers ko and hindi naman ganun kadami yung subscribers ko, but you know, it's just my way of, kumbaga parang mini celebration yung giveaway na yun. Kasi nga, na-accomplish ko yung goal ko to finish a passion project this year. So, I just wanna give back to those people na nanood nitong mini-series na to. So, yep. Thank you so much for watching. I also have new stuff in store for this channel sa August. I'm planning to do something else. So, good luck naman sa akin, di ba? But yes, anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.